Hello friends, today I teach you how to use this DSO for testing laptop motherboard. Okay, first you want to see this oscilloscope display points. Okay, this is the main display. See, this one is a function keys. Okay, you can see some setting selection or some data changing. This button can change. Okay, this is a channel 1. Okay, this is channel 2. This is a external trigger. This is a check-in point. Okay, this one have common ground point. This is a voltage per division. This one second per division is for time control. This is a voltage controlling. This is a vertical and horizontal position changing. Example, see, this is a voltage point, vertical position. Okay, see, if I see this button, see what happened. If you want to change in your check any voltage in high voltage, you want to uh, change starting point to depend on your voltage level. Okay, now I say to 0 point. I say change it to center point. Okay, see what is this? This is a voltage per division. It meaning, see, this one circle in one square is same 1 volt. Okay, now I change it to this one. See what happened. See, now one square is 2 volt. Okay, if you want to check 3 volt, you can check it to 1 volt. Okay, it means you want to check 3 volt, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see it in your display. Okay, now I show you horizontal. Is it timing? Okay, see, now one square point is have 1 microsecond. Okay. After I change it to now this point 2 microsecond. See this point now 5 10 microsecond. Okay, it is you can change it on depend on your voltage and signal. Okay, this one is a channel 2. Now I not plug channel 2. Friends, this one I want to show you. This is my probe. Okay, this probe have 1x and 10x. This 1x 10x you want to change depend on the motherboard signal checking some points. I will show you in video. And oscilloscope, every oscilloscope have uh, common ground point. Okay, but I not use this common ground point. I use this wire. Okay, this is a full copper cable. I plug it to motherboard ground point. See, don't use aluminium cable. Use always copper cable. After print, this is a setting displays. Measure, accurate, storage, cursor, display, utility. See, measure point. Make click measure. See, function key you can select on the all frequency, period, tries, fail, every details in this area. Now you want to close this sheet. See, press F5 to close. Now press F5, close. This is a selector. Okay, this you want to go to this area, setting areas. See this accurate. You want to select this one. You can use this selector to select this point. Okay, this accurate and storage, cursor. See, this one have type and display. Now, friends, you want to learn this one. This is a very special mode. This is a trigger mode. Okay, this mode meaning if you want to capture some signal in this display, you can use trigger mode. This trigger would have some function type, source, slope, mode, coupling. Now I can show you. See this type. Now edge. See, really hard to show this my camera. Wait, I will check. Friends, sorry for this one. My phone camera is not show this some function not showing. Okay. See now I show type this one is show edge. Trigger menu source. Channel one slope rise fail or rise fail 2. Okay, mode auto normal single. Okay, now I show you this one by one from the motherboard check-in. Okay, after see this one, this is the auto button. Okay, you want to uh, check this any signal hard to voltage and time calculation, press auto. Okay, it is very easy to understand. Now I show you step by step motherboard this point check in with the DSO. Firstly, we want to check RTC is a press signal in my motherboard. So RTC crystal want to check, press channel 1 and coupling check it to AC. Because this RTC waves and any crystal you want to check any crystal, select it to AC. It's a AC wave is coming. And when you want to check crystal, probe select to 10x. Okay. Now see my multi. I check 1 volt and 1 microsecond. Is a high value, but I show you how to check it with. Now I show you this is a crystal. I see. See what happened. Now I turning on machine. See, machine is turning on. See, line is somehow dancing. Okay. Now I press auto. See what happened. See, this is the pulse. Now voltage is 20 millisecond for one square. Okay, 20 millisecond and 10 microsecond for this one square. Understanding? This is a very easy to check in with DSO. Now you want to check how many frequencies generated. Click, see, measure. Click measure and see this one. This is a frequency. Okay. Check measure and see this one. Frequency 32.7 kilohertz. It's a RTC good wave. Okay. And you want to get more details. Click measure and press F5 and parameters. See all details in one screen. Understand, pen? Now I go our next step. Next step is our motherboard is have this motherboard. This is a 3 volt coil. This is a 5 volt coil. You want to check this frequency. This is a coil input side. This one output side. See, this is a coil input side. This is a 5 volt coil. This one input side. This one output side. 3 volt coil. This is the input side. This one output side. Now I uh, change setting. Again check channel 1 coupling setting to DC. So sorry, man. Check to DC. This one. Friends, sorry for this one. My phone camera is not showing this white color function text. Okay, friends. Now I plug, attach my DSO to 5 volt coil input side. Okay. See this frequency. Press auto. It's very easy to. Again press auto. See friend, this is the PWM pulse. You can change this setting, expand time. See this PWM pulse. See, if you want to check how many frequency generator, check measure and parameter. See friend, this frequency, and we check output side. See friend, output side is a very smooth voltage. Okay, now I exit it F5. See, this is the output. PODC is producing this coil output side. Friend, our next step is how to check trigger mode with short circuit finding. Okay, you want to understand this one. Any frequency is coming starting from this one output line coil, this one. Okay, this line we want to capture. How to capture? You want to use trigger mode, edge, source channel 1, it is okay. Again check mode. This mode is very important. You want to select normal. It is very easy to use trigger mode. Okay, and slope. You can check rise, fail or rise or fail. Okay, now I select rise only. I check this 5 volt coil, and friend, see this one. This oscilloscope you want to set trigger level. Okay, we check 5 volt. Now 2 volt in 1 square. I down it. We want to check 5 volt. I set 4 volt for trigger level. Okay, and now I turn it on off, and I add oscilloscope to this output side. See what happened. Now I turn on my power supply. See this one. We want to reduce the time. See, it capture it, but our time is low. Now we want to set time. I check it 500 microsecond. We can check whatever. I turn it up again. See friend, this one is the PWM output side capturing. Understand? Now our second lesson, how to capture SLPS signal with short circuit. Example, friend, this is a RAM coil. Okay, I sold a wire to RAM coil output. See this one, and this is the RAM IC. RAM IC pressed enabling signal come with SLP. I think this one SLP S5. I sold the wire to SLP S5 line. See, now we can use our second probe. Okay, my second probe. I plug it to this one. See, friend, I do this channel 1. Okay, this is a channel 1 probe. Okay, channel 1 probe. I set to this SLPS enabling signal. See, and second probe. I add to RAM coil out. output side. Okay, see what we want to do. We want to enabling our channel 1. Okay, friend, you want to remove this screen, click and force. Now turn on channel 1. See, this is a channel 1, channel 2. Okay, I enable channel 2. Friend, understand this. I add it to this area channel 1. Channel 2 I down to position channel 2. See, this is channel 2. Channel 2 I select. See, what is the RAM voltage? Maybe 1.2, 1.35. It is enough. Now I reduce channel 2 voltage to 1 volt. See, friend, now 1 2 volt, and this one is a 3 1 2 3 SLPSM with 3.3 voltage. 1 2 3. Okay. Now friend, we would go trigger mode. See, source channel 1, because SLPS signal I plug to channel 1. Channel 2 is this one, rise. Okay, mode normal. Okay. Now see, well, cable plugging done. Now I turn on my power supply. We want to do one thing. See, this is a trigger level 4.08 volt. Okay. Now I reduce this button. See, I 3 volt. And channel 1 voltage 1 volt, channel 2 voltage 1 volt. Okay. Now I okay. See this one. Friends, see this one. This is the we want to get. See, this is a SLP S5 signal is coming to 3.3. It is okay. After, see, this is a how many times get it to generate. One square is now 500 microsecond. Okay, this is half. After coming SLP S5, this RAM IC is generated to 250, maybe 200 microsecond. Okay, understanding pen. If any this one get to more time. Okay, this one is want to lot of time want to get this signal. It may be a problem is our RAM section or RAM section output side some problem. Okay, this one is the we uh, use this technique to very advanced laptop preparing cases found. Okay, friend, my video is now finished. If you have any problem, write it to comment section. I will reply or contact me in Telegram. I will help you. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope to meet next video. Bye.